So today we are making mochas. There are multiple different ways to make a mocha, but today we're focusing on just two. So the first one is keeping everything separate until the very end. The second one is taking the chocolate sauce and putting it in while the espresso is extracting, and then frothing milk and adding the chocolate in next. Then you add it all together. So the ingredients we are using today is 1 shot of espresso, and today we're using the mid-morning roast from First Cup. And we also have 1 ounce of either chocolate syrup you could use or chocolate sauce, depending on whatever you like. We also have whole milk that we're gonna froth later. And we have whipped cream. And here's our cup for our end product. All right, so a regular shot takes about 18 to 30 seconds, depending on your taste and your machine too. So let's get to it. So next we're going to frost the milk. So we use whole milk here because it's sweeter and it's easier to froth. So we also have a whole video on different techniques on how to milk froth, which is just right up above if you want to click on it. So first you want to purge your steam wand, get all the excess, there we go, water out. You don't want that in for frothing. So you take it, put it right down there, and I'll let it go. So now we have all the ingredients. We're going to put it all together. First, you're going to take the chocolate syrup and put it on the bottom. If you really are a chocoholic, add more if you want. Alrighty. Next, you're going to take your espresso shot, and since it's hot, it's going to start melting automatically, and then you're going to take your froth milk. Now I kind of like to pour the milk in first, and then take a spoon and get the nice foam. So finally, to top it off, I'm going to add some whipped cream. For the second type of mocha, we're going to be taking half of the chocolate syrup, putting it at the bottom of the glass. There we go. And then we're going to extract some espresso. And because it's so hot, it's going to start melting the chocolate in here, which is going to create a really great blended flavor. The next step is we're gonna make some chocolate milk so it's even more blended into our froth milk. All right, so let's put the rest of the chocolate syrup in here. Make some nice frothed milk. Okay. So now we're gonna put everything together. We have our chocolate espresso infused, and we have our frothed milk and chocolate infused also. So we're gonna pour that in, kind of like doing a nice little circle with it, circular motion. And then we're gonna get all the bubbles. Okay. So now we're gonna top it with some nice whipped cream. Woo! And a little bit of chocolate syrup. Oh, doesn't that look good? Yum, yum, yum.